Hey everyone, Matthew Letendre here. I just wanted to do this Exitus Elite review to show you why I believe this is the best business out there right now for affiliate marketing, and it's a great opportunity to build your own business. I personally believe that there's no better time to come into extra sleep than now, mainly because during the summertime, things slow down a little bit. People are on vacation, they're out and about more often, they're outside. But now, from now and into the fall and winter are the best times to join any affiliate business because more and more people will be online again. People will be finished taking vacations for the nice weather, and kids are going back to school. So that's why I say there's no better time than now to join Exitus Elite. Now, what you see right here in front of you is a $500 commission I've made from this business. I I made this back in March of this year. It was my first commission of the year, and I got it paid right to my Cash App. In Exodus Elite, there are no yearly or monthly fees. We get paid instantly to any payment processor that we choose, whether it's PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Stripe, Venmo. You can use all those and more in the back office. And whatever it is that you want people, you can give them options. So, this is an example of a $500 commission I've made. This is an example of a $2,000 commission. Now, this personal commission is not mine. It's a screenshot. It's an example of how high of commissions we can make in this business. I just upgraded to the G2000 in this business, so I have not made a $2,000 commission yet, but I can't wait until I do. But this is an example of a $2,000 commission, and this is an example of a $1,000 commission. Now, this commission is, again, not my commission. Back when I made my first G1000 sale, was I didn't screenshot my income like I do today. And then here's just another example of another $500 commission I got to my PayPal. Now, it's always best if you're going to use somebody else's income proof, always tell people that this is someone I know who's in this business who made this commission or whatever it is, but just don't lie to people. Be honest. So that's the kind of money you can make in this business, between $100 to $2,000 instant commissions. Now let's go back to here. So in Exitus Elite, we get paid. These are the product levels. So how we get paid in Exitus Elite is when you make a sale, you get that commission. There's no more pass-up sale. There's no more qualifying sale anymore. It's just a straight affiliate business. So when you make your first sale, let's say you come here at the G2000, which I highly recommend you do, because that's where the life-changing income can come from. But if you can't do that, come in here at one of the lower levels. But if you come in here at the G2000 and you get a G2000 sale, you're going to get $2,000 to one of your payment processors. So that's the first way we make money in Exitus Elite. Another way we can make money in Exitus Elite, let's say you bring somebody in, they're just getting started, all they can afford is the G100. But somebody comes through their system and sees that they can make up to $2,000. Now, maybe that person wants to upgrade, wants to come in at the G2000. So what's going to happen? This person here is still going to get his $100 commission, but the remaining $1,900 that's left over is going to get passed upline to me because I'm here at the G2000. So I will make a $1,900 commission off of his $100 commission. So That's why I love this business. It's very fair. And let's say you want to upgrade to the next product level. When I originally came in at the G1000, that's where I came in at. Uh, I paid $2.99 for the admin fee. Now the admin fee that goes directly to Exitus Elite. That's how they make their money. But to be able to make 100% instant commissions, you pay your sponsor or the person who brings you in their commission. So I paid $2.99 to Exitus Elite and $1,000 paid to my sponsor. Now, when I upgrade to the next product level, I'm only paying the difference of what I paid in the last product. So I'm going to take $2.99 off of this and $1,000 off of this. So my sponsor still makes $1,000, but I, instead of coming in at $23.99, I'm only coming in at $1,100. That's what another reason why I love this business is because of what you the fairness of the compensation plan. It's very simple, very easy to follow, and this is what you get when you purchase. You get digital marketing, business strategies, mindset mastery, financial freedom, and leadership skills. These are the categories that our Genesis Digital Education Library gives us. So when you come in at these product levels, this is what you get. At the G100, you get 17 courses. At the G250, you get 10 courses. At the G500, you get 13 courses. At the G1000, you get 25 courses. And at the G2000, you get 31. Now, you're getting all this education when you buy your product. So Exitus Elite, you're not just buying a product, you're buying multiple products within each product level. So this is why I love this business. I really do. We're going to come back here. We're going to come here. This is what you get with your membership. Your command center. The moment you join, you get full access to a professionally built member back office designed to run your entire business from one place. This is not a basic dashboard. It is a complete operating system built for serious business owners. Track your sales, manage your leads, access your training library, monitor your team, confirm payments, and run your marketing all from one clean, powerful interface. Everything you need is already built and waiting for you. So, like I said, you get a live dashboard, team management, lead capture pages, which I'm going to show you in a little bit. Your education library, tracking your payments, built-in autoresponder. So when you come in from one of our lead capture pages, you get a built-in autoresponder. Your contact list, which tells you if the good thing I like about Exitus Elite is they filter through bad emails. I know there are some people that'll go through and they'll put a fake email in there and then they can't join. You know why? Because Exitus Elite, once you put your email in there, is going to ask you to confirm your email. And once you do that, then you see the next page. So another cool thing too is when you get a phone number in Exitus Elite, there's a warning at the bottom, or basically letting you know that if you put your phone number in here, you can be expected to get text messages and phone calls from the person that you're joining. So not only do you know that the emails are real, but the phone number itself is real too. So that's another really cool thing. Um, and then there's some options in the back office where you can get leads. Now this is what your back office looks like. Let me just blow this up a little bit. So you got your, this is going to tell you what your, how much funds you've made over the time that you've been in Exitus Elite. This tells you how many sales you have, how many active teammates you got, if you have any people that are waiting to be confirmed. Because in Exitus Elite, when you make you pay your fee to Exitus Elite, once I get confirmation that I am going to, um, that I receive my commission, I'm gonna activate your site. So once I find that I got my commission, I'm gonna activate your site, and then it's completely yours for forever. It's you can make unlimited amount of $100 to $2,000 instant commissions based on where you come in at. So, um, so this is the dashboard in the back office. Um, this is mine actually. Let me just bring that down a little bit. There you go. So you can see you get your training lead. These are options for you. You can get some leads and sales. Send an email. We have an autoresponder that is at the level of Aweber and GetResponse. They're that good, and it's all built into Exitus Elite. So you can use those autoresponders for Exitus Elite or any other business you want to use, including you can also use the lead capture pages that we have in this business to promote other businesses that you want. So the autoresponder, the Pro autoresponder, is only $29 for that. And then the you still get the default autoresponder whether you join the Email Pro or not. So there's still going to be an autoresponder that goes out on your behalf. So, but anything that has a paywall in it in this business is all optional. The reason why I love Exitus Elite is because of uh, it's been around for 12 years. It's been running since 2014, and it's still getting major updates to this day. So this is an amazing opportunity. So let's see here. I'm gonna come here real quick. So I'm gonna show you the lead capture pages right here. So every level has their own lead capture pages. Whether you're in the G100 or the G2000, they all have these here. These are really good lead capture pages, very well designed. This is one I'm using right now. I've used all of them, and I've still gotten leads into my business. Exitus Elite has everything that you'll ever possibly need to help you run your business, as long as you're willing to put in the work, get out there, get seen, get heard, uh, and and yeah, as long as you're willing to work your business, you can find really, really good commissions in this business. Let me go back here. I always recommend people come in either at the G1000 or G2000. Those are the sweet spots in this business because it gives you the opportunity to make really good to life-changing income. Now, when you come in at a higher level from the G250 on up, all the lower products unlock for you at no extra cost. So if you come in here at the G2000, all these are going to unlock for you, and all the benefits that those other products give you um, is there. And you can start making commissions off of all of these different product levels. So, um, all I can say is I absolutely love this business. This is my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you my videos. These are all Exitus Elite videos. I've been in this business since 2020. I'm sorry, 2022. And this business is my favorite business. The only other business that I promote also is Lead Lightning and Power Lead System. They're all the Lead Lightning and Power Lead System is the full product. They're joined together. But Exitus Elite, I can't I can't I've searched so many different other opportunities, and Exitus Elite has everything you possibly need. Not to mention a terrific owner in Paul Stevenson. He's an amazing owner, and I've known many owners, and I've seen businesses come, businesses go, and Exitus Elite is still standing after 12 years of paying out affiliates, and the only one other than Exitus Elite is Power Lead System. You can check that one out as well. But both opportunities are fantastic. Exitus Elite is my favorite business, and you don't have to worry about me jumping ship on Exitus Elite. Exitus Elite is my home from 2020, from now until it's not running anymore. And I can't see this business failing. It's proven itself over the last 12 years. It turned 12 years old this month. And that's all I can say about this business. I absolutely love it. I would not have put all this energy into making all of these videos for this business if I didn't believe in Exitus Elite. I also wouldn't have paid this kind of money. I paid $12.99 when I came in originally, and I paid $1,100 here when I upgraded. I would not have spent all this money into this business if I did not believe in its longevity, and I have absolutely no fear of bringing anyone into this business. The only reason why you're going to fail is because you're not running your business. You're not getting out there. You're not getting seen. You're not getting heard. You're not reaching out to people. Exitus Elite is the best business, the best home business, the best affiliate business, and the best high ticket affiliate business you can ever be a part of. And I've seen so many of them come and go over the years, and not too many. I mean, I actually have Paul Stevenson's number on my phone. I have talked to him many times. He's very accessible. He puts out webinars and everything. And to be able to make this kind of money is life changing. And I absolutely love this business. And yeah, Paul Stevenson is just an amazing owner of this business. He's very accessible, and that's pretty much it. That's all I want to show you guys. If you become a member of my team, you'll get some extra pages that I'll give you. They're totally free. They have training in them. They have ad art here that you can use to show people what's possible. You're going to get both of those pages. Now, my friend who I collaborated with to bring these pages to our teams, he's thinking of updating some of it. I mean, some of it is dated, but the training and the different things like this are all still relevant to today. So I absolutely hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I will see you all in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you also comment below, and comment below if you have any questions. You can call me. You can text me. All my contact information is below, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.